I guess we're at Lacent. It's my birthday. We're at Lacent again. It's my birthday.
Show us the way.
That's the buffet, bro. That's the buffet. It's the buffet. My tita are here.
Happy?
No, you're tired.
Bro, no, bro.
Kayo na pa siya tumatakbo eh.
Not tired, bro. What do you need, bro?
Birthday to you for show. For show. Okay, birthday lang kayo.
Hey!
Make your card show.
Sina mama dito tomorrow.
Okay.
Dyan? Okay.
Oo, pinaano ko na.
Dad,
Mama yan.
Pina-reserve ko na.
what your
Sino?
tita
Sina Ate
on the
Paul,
side?
tinanong ko na din siya. Hindi daw niya mag-guarantee.
What your tita-
Since hindi ako nag-book.
Guarantee.
Pero sinabi ko, if pwede,
Adele, put it, no. Put it down.
Okay.
Let me go, bro.
ay, oo nga. Ay,
Let me move my shoes. Where are we going?
happy birthday!
Guys.
What?
Natin may tito. Tatayo.
Okay.
We love it, bro. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Richard, bro. Thank you.
Sa kanila pa, attend ka na sa kabila.
Pakuwak.
Tutulungan sila sa usapan, wala namang problema. Yun lang po na, okay, sa isang tanong, may mga netizen nagsasabi, pinag-aagawan na rin.
Ma, can I remove my socks? Please?
Okay.
Ooh, happy birthday to me. Mama, you don't greet me. You don't greet me yet at
Happy
your
birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby!
Mama,
Yeah?
is it okay if I open one gift?
Sure, later.
Please, just only one.
Later.
It's my birthday.
And yeah, I know it's your
Please,
birthday.
can I open one?
I thought you're excited to swim na.
Yeah, just only one.
Okay.
Please, only one. Please. Please.
Guys, ano, papa-open ko ba?
Only one.
You ask them kung okay sila.
Guys, is it okay if I open one? Yeah, I don't know. Say in the comments. Gonna open na.
They said no, oh.
Guys, I'm gonna open a gift from my best friend. Also my best friend, Tyler. Let's open it.
Okay.
You guys check the first one because it was yours. Oh! Ooh, this is cool. I put some. What's this? They give me a gift too. Thank you, Tyler, if you're watching this.
How about Tita Mario?
Also, thank you, Tita Mylar. Boy! Can you open this? What open this? This thing? Sorry. That is what sorry. Finally.
Finally, why finally?
It's because the forgot to give me a this party.
No. You remember what Adam told you?
Yeah.
No.
It's me and the events going Armando.
Of course.
Don't show it to Aki, ah.
Of course.
What? Is it a gift from them or no?
Is it a gift from them or no? Is it a gift from them or no?
See what? Let's see. Can
Ibig sabihin, yung
very good with, and it also spins. Wow. Let's do something.
Kasi mas gamay ko yung defense. Malaking adjustment yung pagiging receiving libero ko. I do pray.
Again.
you pull it first and then press it. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Push. Pull it. Pull it first. More. I like that.
Yan naman.
Miss Bartal is there. Look!
What?
It's in it.
What?
It's in it. It's I choose to celebrate.
No, tell them muna.
It's my birthday and I went here. That's why I'm here. And we went here with the whole family. But the other one is my Lola. My Lola is gonna come here at night.
Nighttime, Lolo and Lola.
Yeah, but my ate and kuya will come here tomorrow. Bye.
Oh. Well.
This is a here on Christmas. Mommy,
Ah,
before you do it, after this, okay? Pull it against me.
oh.
Saturn.
Save na. James, score na. Yung card niyo nasa inyo. Ito mag-clip niya. Oo, ako talaga. Wala ko na naman. Sabi niya, hindi kayo makakapag-elevate. Wala yan. Sino ba yan yung hindi makakakit dati? Sa Hong Kong. Naiwan.
Sinarado niyo yung room nyo? Sinarado niyo yung room nyo?
Sa hotel, di ba? Napulot ko sa lapot.
Okay, let's go.
Uy, basta. 17.
Aki.
Time to swim.
Time to swim.
Careful, basta.
This was smoking.
Okay.
It does not. Look at the pool.
Let's go.
Oh.
Can I? Oh, that's not.
Get na kayong towel. Ayun. Hingi tayo. Yeah, ay. Wait, baby. Shower first. Your cup, your goggles. Yeah.
Later when I get there.
Wala uling tao.
Wait. That's definitely still warm. It's warm. Ma,
Yeah. Papa can do it. Shower. Ayun o, sila Tita Jiro. Tita Jiro, shower na kayo. Go. Doon muna. Shower muna.
Dito.
Ayun kay Aki.
Ano yun?
Wala yan.
Wala. Control ko. Hindi ka magtatanggal ng damit? Gino?
just wait a minute. Okay, bye.
Oh.
Help. Help. Dad. Dad. Dad.
Siya yung ano, siya na yung batang maingay dito. Nung kanina, walang maingay. Baby, can you fix his ano? Tingnan mo yung tag sa cup. Careful. Ay, good job. You're doing your bubble? The bubble thing, Aki? Bubble siya.
Stop, Papa.
Go.
Bubbles!
Dad, wait, I get
Ki. 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 Huwag mag-jump na ganun, baka tumama yung ano mo.
Ayaw kayo. Float? This time.
From here, go there. Si Aki napasok lalo talaga. Kanina nag-hi sa kanya yung bata, yung naka-purple. Yung isa ando dun sa dulo. Sabi, hi! Hindi niya pinansin, tinignan lang. Pakasuplado talaga na itong batang ko. Gusto may paglaro sa kanya eh. Ayun yung dalawa. Tingnan natin kung makikita pa si Jiro mamayang gabi. Joke lang. Jiro, gamitin mo daw yung kickboard. Sabi ni Aki, kailangan mo daw yon. Kickboard. To save his life daw. Ayun o, pinakitaan tuloy tayo ni Jiro. Pinakitaan tuloy tayo na marunong siya lumangoy. Si Jiro, si Aki kasi, niloloko siya eh. Sabi ni Aki, Tito Jiro, use this ha, to save your life. Kulit eh. Yung dalawa. Bibi, turuan mo na siya mag-float. Ay, meron pa ng banda rito. Last time kasi nung March to April, walang banda. Tapos ayan, ngayon meron na. Set up na sila. Mamaya din pala dito. Ko lang alam ko anong oras. Meron dito Mongolian. Yung Mongolian nila, $6.99. $6.99. Hindi ko, puro ano lang ata yun. Wala pa atang seafood yun. Check natin mamaya kung magkano. Pero hindi naman kami dito magdi-dinner. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Good job! Mm. Nag-ano rin pala kami. Nag-swimming din namin si Aki. Dulo-dulo kami. Si Paolo. Tapos ako. Tapos magsiswim siya mag-isa. Pagdating sa gitna, nagbabubbles na siya. Tapos inaangat namin. Tapos magsiswim uli siya papunta doon sa papa niya. Then pagpabalik naman, ganun din. Papa naman niya. Ando doon papuntang gitna. Tapos papunta sa akin. Umaangat din siya pagdating sa gitna para mag-bubbles. Then, papunta na siya sa akin. Tapos, nag-butterfly din siya. Tapos, nag-cannonball. Tapos, ano pa ba? Hinagis namin yung goggles. Tapos, hinagis namin yung goggles. Pinakuha namin sa kanya. Yan, nakuha naman niya. Ano pa ba? Nag-shark kami, nag-dance kami underwater. Tapos, nag-clap din kami underwater. Tapos, nag-night-night din siya. Ano ba to? Wala kasi kaming phone eh, pang underwater eh. Sayang, hindi nyo tuloy siya makita na nag-dance. Ginagaya niya si Coach Gary. Yun yung favorite coach niya na si Coach Gary. Buong bibig niya lagi si Coach Gary. Gawin daw namin yung gano'n, yung kagaya kay Coach Gary. Puro Coach Gary. Okay naman kasi si Coach Gary naman yung yung head coach nila doon. Aki, don't jump. Yun na. So, yung dalawa nagkaharutan dun. Careful, baby. Baby, careful.
Babero.
Yun na.
Babero. I can float by myself.
Meron. May happy hour. Hindi ko alam, baby. Zero? Kala ko zero nila eh. 7.99 yan. Diba? Isang bucket na may pulutan na. Oh. Kaya pa. Kakakain lang natin eh. Hindi na tayo mag-dinner. Okay, mamaya na ulit guys. Dahil baka mawalan na ako ng storage ulit. Bye-bye! Yan yung dalawa. Ano yung gagawa?
Ibigay ng 900 dual power. Sayang dito.
Guys. One for one.
Anak, sobrang lapit niyan. Huwag ka dyan. Tumama ka pa dyan.
Hindi pa ako
Aki, not there. Sabi ko, di ba? Not there. Baka mauntog ka dyan.
360.
Ano 360? Ano tinuturo mo 360?
Okay. Go. Go.
Ano natin yung 360 niya? Ug. Ayun pala ang 360. Ayun pala ang 360. Yun pala. Bug. Yung dalawa parang balik.
Bakit sa kaya yung ano nila, buhato nila? Wala naman. Hindi pinagkaiba
Ano?
sa happy hour kaysa regular price. 750, 5 bottles. Ang kasama, either prope o tofu.
Pagka ano,
Pero pag bote-bote, ganun din. Same price din siya sa beer. Happy hour kasi may libre pulutan. So, libre pulutan mo prope. Nice. Nice din yun. I like that. Order nga, 5 prope. Kasi hindi.
walang ano,
Yan.
walang peanut.
Peanut, wala. Meron
At
naman
pala,
tayo.
dinala ko na lang yung peanut.
Kinakain ni Jod kanina eh. Sana kinain. Ay, sana dinala mo pala.
Pinasar na naman si Jiro. Keep this, you need this.
Ay, sa'yo.
Yun sa akin. Magwa one lap daw yung dalawa. Tingnan natin kung sino mauna sa kanila. Ayun na daw sila. Dumadami na yung tao, dumadami na yung tao. Ang dami na. Ang dami na nila. Buti na lang nauna kami kanina. Diba? Nakikipag-nego pa siya sa papa niya. Give him one more minute daw.
Chip si Jiro sa dagat.
Si Jod, ayun, puro picture. Picture. Na-miss na daw siya ng mga followers niya sa gilid. Magdi-dinner na kami. So, gusto ni Aki, na request niya ngayon is Japanese daw. So, sa ano kami magdi-dinner? Sa Manmaru.
Tita Jiro.
Okay. Later na lang. Ayan sila. Lakad lang kami, malapit lang eh. Tapat lang naman din siya. Yan yung favorite ni Paolo para saan.
Ano yung buwan nyo?
Mamaya na ako mag-vlog ah. Baka makuha.
Alright guys, we're gonna eat. We're just waiting.
Are you going to eat?
The Japanese restaurant.
What name? What name?
I cannot read it. It's because it's hard to read.
Here, oh.
Yes,
Go there.
It's hard to read.
Ano yung hard to read, baby? You can read it. Go there.
And we're sitting here.
Go there. Angelica. Come here. What's the name? Read it. Dito. You cannot see it. Ayun na lang, yun na lang, yun na lang, yun na lang. Ah, yun na. Read it. There sa taas. Where? Manmaru. Yeah.
Oh, Jackson.
Yeah, Hux.
This thing of blocks.
Wala kang space eh. Aki. What are you going to eat? What are you going to eat?
Ramen.
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 Pares.
Ramen.
Fishball.
No, ramen. 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 Ramen.
Yung dinaanan natin kanina. Doon tayo.
Sabi mo doon magbe-breakfast si Tito Jiro. Tomorrow. Doon siya mag-breakfast tomorrow. Ang pogi naman ng birthday boy na yan. Ang pogi naman ng birthday boy na yan, no? Ha? Pogi ka? Ha? I don't know. You want balloon? You want balloon, baby?
I didn't know about that.
Yeah.
I don't want the balloon.
Pang ano kami? Pang-apat kami sa...
That's how is
Sa
the balloon
nakalista.
in the car.
Pero marami naman ng ano, pa-check out. Ay, pa-check out. Pa-bill out. So, okay lang. Ayan, tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Mainit. Dali, pasok na tayo. Bibi.
Okay na?
Hindi, papasok lang tayo. Mainit eh.
We're taking the side.
Ay, kasi hindi kita mabibidyohan. What? Tell me.
1, 2,
5?
5, 6.
6? 6, no?
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ano?
6.
Ito na, baby. Hungry na naman siya. Ay, na ganyan din siya eh. Kumain kami ng, ano, 3 o'clock. Ay, 2 o'clock. Tapos, nagpa-take out pa siya ng twister fries at saka, ano, yung shake fries. Yung cheese kanina, yung regular fries. Oh. Tapos, nung nagsiswimming siya, hindi siya nangungulit na hungry siya. Pero nung after na, ayan. Super hungry na daw siya. Huh? What are you playing, baby?
Watching.
Ah, you're watching. Okay.
I guess it's my birthday and I'm gonna eat this.
What's this?
No, it's a
What's this? Teka.
My order is using sin ramen.
No, tonkatsu ramen.
Tonkatsu ramen.
Pero,
Yeah, fish with fish cake. With fish cake and noodles.
pinakarangan.
Bye guys, I'm gonna eat na.
Oh, tanong mo, ano pa yung ibang order nila?
I don't know.
You ask them, then tell them. You ask if you zero, you ask if you that, you ask
Bro.
bro.
No, no.
What are you waiting?
Your
what?
Na.
Your rice.
I'm waiting for my rice.
And you ordered what?
The order using sin ramen and also mango juice. Bye.
Mama, what's mama's food?
Sushi. Bye guys.
Maki.
What?
Maki.
Maki. Bye guys, I'm gonna eat na. Bye. Bye.
Tapos na kaming kumain, mag-dinner. So ngayon,
Open gifts.
time to what?
Open gifts.
Open gifts. Open gifts na. Excited ka?
Tayo.
Excited ka? Okay. Di kami nakapag-vlog kanina kasi nakatakot. Nakatakot baka makuha yung phone sa labas eh. Kaya dito na lang pagpasok namin ng hotel. No, Pipi?
Tatlo bodyguard nyo.
Sigo.
Tatlo bouncer dito.
Nasaan?
Diba? Apat sa damaran nila. Sa double sa double.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Dito, punta kayo dito.
Ah, dito na tayo. Oh, sige. Okay.
Papalit ba kayo?
Time to open.
Kuya na kasi. Sige.
Ba!
What? No, magpipicture pa tayo eh.
Blind. So blind.
Ah, okay.
Blind. Blind guys.
Aki. It's time. Okay
Can
to.
I eat one them?
Gami daw, Papa.
Yeah.
Oh, mag-vlog ka muna. Oh. Ay,
Hindi natin
tumaan pala kami ng 7-Eleven kanina pa after namin kumain.
yung lalo eh.
So, ayan. Inom kami. Inom kami ni... Pampatulog daw. Inom kami nila. Tiyol si Jiro. Nakita mo kay Jiro. Napakadami ng kay Jiro. Kay Jiro.
Zero yung marami.
Ito sa akin, Teso. Ito sa akin, mami.
Alan.
Ito.
Kay Jiro yung Corona, Tiyol. Siya pa yung namili yan. Tingnan mo na yung iba, oh. Diba? Pinili niya yan, Tiyol. So, sorry wala talaga ako dyan. Ayan na. Doon muna kayo, dali. Doon muna. Dali. Happy birthday, Aki! Happy birthday, Aki! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Aki!
Salamat.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you po. Kuya, saan na yung fireworks?
Bawal yung sa mga.
Sabi niyo may fireworks eh. Tia, thank you.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Aki. Happy birthday, Aki. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sorry. Happy birthday, Aki. Woo!
Yeah.
Super happy.
Blow. Blow.
Bruh.
No, you have candle there. Wait. Kunin ni Mama.
What's your wish?
What's your wish, baby? Why?
I forgot to think about it.
Okay, wait.
Kasi kanaban niyo si XX, ano? Ako ngiti ka. Say ko eh.
Wants to help me open.
Open it, baby.
I don't open.
Go, baby. Remove your shoes, baby. Ah. No, there ka. Remove your shoes.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Help.
Who else? Who else, baby?
King of Oblak.
King Von. I don't want.
Ali ka na, go. Come here na.
Okay. I
Aki.
don't want.
Unahin ba natin sa'yo? This is from Tata Nel.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna open this later.
Later, unbox mo. This one from Tita Jiro and Tita Jad.
Thank you. I like it. Sunny is nice.
This one from Mama and Papa.
Freaking
Yeah, rip it.
why the tape? Thank you. I thought that was wrapper for a moment. That was wrapper. This. Hey, what anime is this? What anime is this?
It's Pokemon Gundam.
Oh,
It's Collab, baby. Next. Next. Next.
Rapper.
From Papa.
thank you.
Wala na
I'm gonna open this. Later, I'm gonna unbox.
Ang dami mo i-unbox, anak ha. Next, from Ninang Jill.
Thank you, Ninang Jill.
What's that? What's that?
Look. Bumblebee. That's for my Bumblebee. Okay, who's next?
Wait. Wait. And the last one, the one you've been waiting for, from Tito Marvin.
Yeah, bros.
Ang hirap tanggalin eh. Si Jill parang balot na balot talaga.
Oh,
There na, maya mo siya. Ay,
whoa! Can I open it?
papa, papa.
Open it. Oh, that's two, bro. And there's another one.
Go into the camera.
How much is that, Aki? $3,500.
Thank you, Tita Marvin. I'm gonna keep it.
Ha? Pag may nakuha sa dyan. Oo, Nil.
Only if it's Mewtwo. If it's Mewtwo.
Yeah.
If it's 1,000 grand. 1,000 grand.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Hey! Look! What's Tyler's?
Ay. Ito pa. Oh my God, Aki.
This one. That's the last. This was.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish half of it. Half of it. And half of it.
Wait.
What? Oh! What is this called?
You saw it in the mirror?
This is a bikini. I do not like this guy because this guy is from Team Rocket.
Yeah.
Impact energy. I need that for my. Oh! Look at that! Ice Rider Rex. I was thinking it was Pikachu, but this is nice. I'm gonna unbox this tomorrow
Oh yes, tomorrow
because
na.
it's very very nice.
Yes.
Can you
Very
get
good.
ready, please?
Kapag give his drink daw.
The strawberry one. Do not rip this thing.
May na-pull tayo dyan.
Alam na, ha?
Gengar sa slab.
Don't touch it.
At the slab.
Diretso sa ano dapat yan?
Sa
Sa
album.
casing.
Yummy.
Oo, sarap.
Dito
Tapos
yan,
ano? Hindi ko alam,
Why
baby.
am I nervous?
Ayusin mo.
Why am I nervous?
Don't be nervous.
Why am
At
I...
taga-picture ako.
Tell me now.
Yan na.
Can you give me a minute? I wanna check it. If I pull anything, I'm dropping it here.
Wala ako, card na talaga to eh.
Card yan. Hindi?
Card na to, hindi. Just open one na. Tapos next time may iba. Tomorrow na. Cute one. Go bro. That one. Let's see about that.
Nah, bro.
Oo, huwag kang malis. Stay there. Stay there.
I'm just gonna... Bro, gonna see. Can I go to the other but I don't wanna see it? I don't wanna see it.
Sige, ito muna.
Why is bro eating chips? I'm closing my eyes.
Okay. Have to check it. Here, Aki, here's the first one. Okay. Oh. Don't damage it. Just
This is this is some chips. I have that. It's Japanese, but I just got the English.
check. Baka mabili na natin itong hotel.
It's crazy, man.
Fuck you, we're all in a run.
All the projects. Oh, malasing ka. Careful. Cheers tayo. It's your birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy!
Love you.
Aki, inaas ka ni Tata Nel, who's your favorite NBA player daw? NBA player.
LeBron James! Come on, bro. Di ba may inabutan si Jordan?
Bakit siya favorite mo?
Because he's old.
Why MJ?
With bumper?
Because you like his shoes.
Yeah, bro.
You like his shoes?
Not because you like Looney
Yes, my shoes, di ba?
Ah! Because you like
You like his shoes. Eh.
you like
Jam.
Looney Tunes lang.
Space Jam.
Tell them. Tell them what's up.
Let's donkey
What else?
from the
What else?
Kung walang sapatos si Jordan eh.
The shoes lang to. You only like the shoes? Oh.
Shoes na basketball.
Good morning. It's our day 2.
Day 2 at Thailand.
Breakfast kami. Nantay lang namin si Tito Jad. Ayun na si Tito Jad. There, baby. Go. Aki. Morning. Saan tayo lagi nakasit? There.
Oh,
Yan.
I got the Yeti.
Tapos,
I got the Yeti.
Yan.
I got a
wow!
look.
Tapos, ayun, andun si Nel, kumukuha ng coffee. Si Jad, nasa salad siya. Healthy living talaga si Jad eh. Yan, ayan, maraming tao talaga ngayon. Si Aki, naantay niya yung waffle niya. So, nag-open siya. Nag-unpack siya ngayon. Aki, yung dessert mo, yung mga cakes, later na?
Okay.
Okay, waffle muna. You want milk? Fresh milk?
Milk? I thought you said milk. I don't want milk.
Milk you like? Fresh milk? Not your milk, of course.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Lapras! Mag-vlog ka ba? Ha? Mag-vlog ka? Show it to your vlog? Or later na?
Later na when my ate gets your done.
Okay. Okay.
This is what I just got earlier.
Kain muna kami. Meron na lang uli.
Oh!
What?
No! It's a baby! Thousand.
1,000?
And guys, I'm gonna eat my dessert. Cupcakes,
Crackers.
crackers, and marshmallow and nuggets.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat na
What's your
Black
dessert?
Forest.
Black Forest. Okay. Okay. Dem ah. Ay, sus, pasuko pa.
Yummy. Raspberry.
Berry. Okay.
You want that?
Oh, that's too loud.
Too loud.
Is that for my baby? Happy birthday, Aki. Happy birthday, Aki. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Na-stress siya. Nabasa yung kamay. That's not for you, baby. Then yan, don't worry. Ayaw niya kasi, ayaw niya ganyan. Naingayan siya. Oh. It's okay. Happy birthday. They just wanna get together. Okay. Na-stress siya eh.
Not my
Hindi pa. Kasi last night, di ba, ginread ka na last night. Binigyan ka na ng cake. Yung sinasabi ni Kuya na pang tomorrow na lang dapat dito lang. Yes, buti na lang.
Kadira, we try to eat Black Forest. It's yummy. It's like raspberry.
Namukha na yun.
Bye.
Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Thank you. Ay. Ito pala. Morning, Kuya. Where's Tito Jiro? Wala na. Where's Tito Jad? Wala na. Swimming kami. Ano ba yan? Ah. Hindi mo naman ata pinindot, baby ko. Ay, sus! Naantay mo pa ata sa na Tito Jiro eh.
Sabay.
Oh, sobal ba? Wag na. Mamaya pa yung mga yun.
Ay.
Let's go. $17 aki. Ha? It's okay. Day 2. It's 9:38. Yung dalawa, yung tatlong lalaki, yung 3 boys namin, andun pa sa taas. Ayan. Sila ang dalawa ni tatanel niya. Again nga, Bibi. Ginagawa niya yung short niya. Andito na yung dalawa. Tito Jiro, Tito Jad niya. Yan na sila. Dahil kanina nag-gym kayo. Pwede, ayun lang. Hindi kayo nag-gym. Good job. Medyo maraming tao ngayon. Compare last time. Kasi summer na. Bug. Aki, careful ka sa edge, ha? Oh. Si Tata Nel niya, nag-ano din siya, nag-swimming lesson din siya. Kaya tinuturo niya kay Aki na huwag kalimutan mag-fit. Yung fit niya nakalimutan niya kasi lagi. Si Aki nahagis niya na yung sarili niya sa tubig. Nagtatanong si Nel kung may pinapagawa si Nel sa kanya. Pinagawa niya. Nagawa mo dyan? Swimming na! Dapat kasi inaya mo girlfriend mo. Mas gusto niya yung goggles ko kaysa sa goggles niya. Siguro kasi maliit yung sa may eyes, tapos para daw siya parang may twinkle daw. Maliit kasi yung sa lens niya. Mas gusto niya yung malaki para hindi naharang yung sa eyes niya. Hindi 360 pa eh. Hanep, si Jiro pala yun. Naka 1 lap. Nel, si Jiro naka 1 lap pa. Naka 1 lap. Nagawa niya. Kahapon pa siya tinuturuan ni Jad eh. Oo, yun ako din eh. Ako din. Kaya gusto ko swimming lesson. Pero yung survival nga lang. Nag-short siya. hindi ako makapag-swimming. Hindi ako makapag-swimming ng nang hawak ko na yung phone. Kasi, kailangan ko na siyang iangat ngayon eh. Nagsasolo na kasi siya. Ginagawa niya na yung, pinapractice niya na yung mga pinag-aralan niya sa swimming lesson. Ngayon, pag nag-bubble siya, kailangan ko na siyang iangat. So, kailangan ko yung 2 hands. Kaya hindi na kami makapag-swimming doon. Sayang. Pero mamaya pwede naman pagka merong hindi nag-swimming, pupunta rito yung family naman ni Paolo. Sa side naman niya. Pupunta sila dito later. So, pwede kami pa-video para ma-capture lang yung mga moments na gano'n. Kayong dalawa, oh. So, mag-swimming na din ako, ha? Andito na pala si Papa. Ayan, mag-swimming na din ako. Kaya lang, sobrang init na. So, nog-nog na naman din kami. Okay. Sa akin yung isa.
Tita Nel and Tita Jadu will go home na check out.
Check out na sila.
And it's raining.
It's raining.
And later it's okay. It's because we can swim there. I think it will stop.
Okay, press it na, baby.
Upside down.
Down.
As we celebrate the memory of Sudan and the restoration of the bread of life and the chalice of salvation, giving thanks to the elders worthy, in your presence and ministry. Humbly we pray that, partaking of the body and blood of Christ, we may be gathered into one by the Holy Spirit. Remember, Holy Church, first of all the world, forever and ever.
Ano yun, baby? Sabi mo? Ano nga yun? Sino mabaho? Bakit mabaho si Tita Jira? Kasi tulog? Kakasakay lang, tulog na naman. Tulog ng tulog si Tita Jira, no? Ayun, din-wrap off na namin si Nel at saka si Tito Jad niya. Si Jad kasi may may date. May date si Jad kaya sumabay na siya kay Nel. Si Jiro bukas pa naman daw yung date niya kaya okay lang. Punta muna kami ng Jamba Juice. Tsaka mag-take out na din kami pang lunch namin. After noon, balik na kami sa hotel. Nakabalik na kami. So, order muna kami sa Jamba Juice, sa Krispy Kreme, at saka sa Caramia. Nag-request si Aki ng ice cream doon. And, bumili lang kami ng lunch nung dalawang bata. Nung dalawa. Si Jiro at saka si Aki. Si Jiro, yung 1-piece chicken. Sino mabaho?
Tita Jiro.
Bakit siya mabaho?
No.
It's been to kabat.
Yeah, ito ko good. Kaki bao.
Bat.
Bao naman.
Ano ba naman nito? Gums.
Bakit ka?
Sino mabaho?
Tita Jiro.
Bakit?
And Aki.
Ba't mabaho? Ba't mabaho si Tita Jiro?
Si Aki. Yari. Ah.
Ito
I
ka
agree,
ba?
I agree.
Joking mo.
I'm not joking.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Show it to me nga. What's that? Like it? Ha?
Hey, Jeffrey.
Louder. Louder. Hindi ka nila marinig. Oh. Ay. Eh. Ayun na.
Guys.
Wala to. Dito.
Hi, guys. Okay. Guys, you will try to find them. Okay? Okay? Go. Find them. Close your eyes.
Hindi ako na ganun. Hindi ako table.
Okay. Let's decide that. Okay. Next is Pikachu. Close your eyes.
Makinig kayo. Hindi ito, pero iniingatan. Kapag naubos, ay
The last one is Walter.
paman isain ito. Bring me 5 kilo. 5 kilos.
Okay, find it. We find them again. Okay, don't go. Okay. Oh, the curtain. Okay. Yes, guys, you found one. It's Charmander. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. I got score. You guys got Squirtle. But it's hard to find the. Oh, here? Okay, let's look. Yep, it is here. There's this Pikachu. Yep, you guys found him. Thank you. Bye.
Stop. Oh no. Get up, get up. Boom. Get up.
It's okay.
Really? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Really? Oh no, what now? Get up. Bang. Ano ka muna? Sa kamay ko. Wala. Dito. Na. Kalam. No. No. Ah. No, no. No. Na. Ah. Oh no. Oh no. Boo. Boo. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. No, you're sleeping. No. Good night. Good night, Aki.
Good night, Taki.
Ba-
Hey!
Yari ka na, Jiro. Yari ka na.
Boo. Boo.
What is happening?
Boo. Boo. Give me. Give me. Ah. Look. Look. Ah. Ah, no. Ah. Ah.
Iyo. Not sa face, ha? Oh, akin yung, yung shades mo. No, not like that, baby. Pillow fight lang.